Installation of raised panels for hidden lights. Cut parts with the proper tools. Cut SPC panels from the face side, then snap them along the cut line against the table edge. Measure the TV bracket location carefully. Keep at least 52 inches between the panel levels, considering that the height of the covering panel will be 54 inches. This allows the top TV panel to overlap by at least 1 inch. Attach the acoustic felt sheets face down, adhesive side up. Use the adhesive and secure with finishing nails as shown. Use 18-gauge finishing nails, 2 to 2.5 inches long. 1 layer of felt raises the panels by ½ inch. Use 2 layers if TV panel will be used above the slats and boards. Cut the felt where the TV bracket will mount. The bracket must attach directly to the wall. Add 1-inch diameter extra holes in the felt where needed, then peel off the protective paper. Expose the adhesive before mounting the panels. Fill the holes with adhesive, leaving a small air gap for faster curing. Let the adhesive rise slightly above the surface to create anchor points to hold the panels. Carefully position the top panels into place. For best results, use a temporary level support. A straight 2x4 board will work well. It helps keep the panel level while the adhesive cures. Press the panels firmly into place. Then let the assembly set.